Hey, hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a glass cracking Android animation in Android. This is our demo application, and as you can see here, I'm having this image view. And if I click on this, you can see the slightly glass cracking animation you can see here. And if I long press, it will broke the whole glass from here. You can change this by clicking or by clicking on any view. You can also broke this all, but for now in this application I have did this. As you can see, right, you can see that breaking animation here, and if I long press this, the whole view will be broke, right? So this type of animation I'll show you how to create in our today's tutorial. So without wasting much time, let's start our tutorial. So head back to Android Studio, and in order to create this type of glass breaking animation, you need to use some third-party libraries. So just go to Chrome and search for the library which is named as Broken View, and which is created by Yong Sheng. And the link of this repository I'll give you in description. And as you can see here, I'm having the broken glass animation. You can also this animation to exit your application or to switch from one activity to another. It looks beautiful as you can see in our screen. So in order to use this library, just create a dummy project, or open the project in which you want to include this library, and just go to build.gradle file and copy this dependency from here and paste it into build.gradle file, and then sync your project. Once you successfully sync your project will be ready to do this type of broken animation. And just create a view into your XML file. For example, I have created here button, and just create any view, any type of view, text view, linear layout or relative layout, whatever. You can also give access to parent layout, and just create this view in XML file and pass its ID, initialize it, declare it into your main.java or Kotlin file. And once you do that, you need to declare a variable which is known as broken view, and which is type of broken view.add to window. You need to globally declare this variable into your main file. After that, perform a listener on this event, right? So these two things which you will do at global level. As you can see, I did here. This is my broken view, right? And this is my which listener, right? So these two things you need to do here. After that, the view is the view on which I want to perform that broken glass animation. So pass the ID of that view dot set on touch listener, and in this round brackets pass this variable of broken touch listener. And once you are did that, your project will be ready to broke that view, right? And after that, you can control the speed or complexity or breakdown for the duration by using this methods. Just override this method into this touch listener, and it will give you output like this. As you can see, at the side navigation bar, we are having here some options which will control the complexity of your broken glass and the break duration, at what duration it should be broken completely. After that, the falling duration you can control, and you can control many more things. Basically, you can customize this whole animation as per your requirements by overriding these methods. You can also change the color of your broken glass by using this method set paint. So that's all. Using this library you can perform this type of animation, and I think this is a beautiful glass broken animation which you can use in your project or in your Android app to make it user attractive, improve its UI UX. So hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching.